Well, guys, how are you today? We're doing good. Right, Summer? Look at me. Having a donut, working away here. Coffee and a donut. From the Tim Jim Hortons. So today, we are going to... Well, we went to the local co-op and filled up our generator. Went to the local H&L and Automotive. Used to be H&L and Udo. How the hell do you do? Back in the day when they used to be white tractor sales. And picked up MIG gas. We ran out on the one machine there last night, so. Anyways, yeah, we filled up the generator. We're gonna take it up, or the inverter, I should say. We're going to take it up to the semi and the combines, and we have to get the semi plugged in, and we'll leave it running there for a couple hours, and when it starts I'm going to take it over to the old 1070 on the auger and get that out of the way for rainers, so if they need to get to their bins, empty some grain that they got off or whatever, then they can do that, because I got everything parked in the fucking road over there. This was like, winter hit, that's it, you're done. For now anyway, so then at least I'll have the inverter over here, or I can put it on my back of my truck or whatever, and I can run my diesel heaters up on the engines of the combines to get them nice and toasty warm before we start them up. So that's kind of the plan for today, I guess. I got to get some more welding done in the shop and some more bunk feeders. We have to move. What do we have to do with the cows? Oh, we gotta move panels when we get home, right? Move panels around, and then we can let the cows we're keeping over up into the water bowl. Right now they're eating snow, which is whatever, not a bad thing, but they all seem to use more energy to eat snow to turn it into water. So this way we'll just get them on the bowls, and then they know where to go. We have to sort out the ones we're not keeping here within the next week, I guess, probably. It's supposed to get warmer here again, so hopefully it will warm up a bit, but not get too muddy and yucky and gross, and I guess we'll see what happens. So anyways, I'll talk to you when we get to the semi here. Okay guys, I got the inverter out of the truck. It's a 3500 watt inverter, not a generator. Generators are generally louder. This one's pretty quiet, but it's fucking cold out here this morning, so we'll see if she'll start anyways. Oh, left battery's too dead, apparently. It's alright, we got a pull cord, let's see. Oh, first pull. Nice. So let's plug her in and see if she bogs down a bit. Yep. Good. So it's working. Block heater's working. So what we're gonna do is leave it here for a couple hours, I guess. Probably 2-3 hours. Maybe by lunchtime I'll come back. And this is how quiet it is. So leave that run. There's my MIG gas, old chain that we took off that old combine. This one, I guess, took off there, and oops, close you bitch. Oh, I need 3 hands again. There, she's shut. I hope, or that, or we'll fucking have an explosion on the grid. So anyways, we'll leave that run for a few hours. I got her full of gas at the local co-op there in town. Right, Summer? What happened? What?
My phone died.
Why?
Because...
Didn't you charge it up this morning? What, were you watching me on YouTube?
I was, but then it turned off.
Well, don't be grumpy, you're on video. you want me to see if we can get it going?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Oh yeah. Anyway, we're gonna head her home, and what are we gonna do when we get home? Set up some panels, I guess. We'll fire up the new hole in there, and we'll get on to that job, I guess, next. So we'll see you in a few. Guys, she was telling me she was watching Ed. Were you watching Ed on YouTube with his red and white faced cows?
No, I wasn't.
Oh, okay.
I was
Well,
watching Dr. Squish.
Dr. Squish on YouTube, okay. Well, if you want to see some Hereford cows, go check out old Ed Goslin's. I think that's how you say her last name, Ed. You'll have to say it out in your next video. But anyways, go check him out. He's got some cool little vids there. So anyway, when we get home, we'll start the next project, I guess. All right, we got the old girl. Well, not old girl, but got the tractor warming up. Started good. She's fucking cold out though. Holy shit. Anyway, got the MIG gas in the shop. So I'll put it on there and on my Lincoln welder, I guess. And I'll do some welding until the tractor's warmed up. She's pretty fucking nippy there yet, so. But anyways, that's my plan of attack for today. Or right now, I should say. So, we'll see you in a few minutes. So yeah, it's my screen that's fucking shot. I can't show you my camera on the back. Anyways, I gotta get some more barrels in here today too and clean up my scraps. They actually pay you for that shit, so that's kind of neat. Anyways, got the new tank on. Right to the tits full. So that's awesome. Usually what I do is I try to run out about 25 on there. If it's pretty close. That way I don't have to clean up my pipes. It just blows the rust away. So today I gotta get these neck bar holder deals on. I guess I gotta stand those pipes up, tack them on, get them all sturdy, then get the top pipes on, neck bar, piece of sucker rod through it, and then I'll have another one done here. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that MIG gas there. So I usually keep these ones here. These MIG tanks, I can go the fatter size if I want, but I just said fuck it, this is easier to carry around. If I gotta send the wife to town, she can carry them empty or whatever, and the guys that in town load her up, so that part's easy. But I do have some small ones here. I got a spare MIG gas and a spare oxygen, because that's what I always run out of is if I'm heating stuff. Usually not in the shop so much, but like farm equipment in spring and summer, I use lots of use the torch quite a bit for heating and whatever, bearings, whatever. These two are owned. I buy those tanks, so then all I do is take them in and pay for the gas that's in them. These ones I have to pay a contract for, but like I said, I can look at all this fucking ends, cut ends. I can get the bigger ones if I want to, if I desire that. I think I could use a bigger one. It doesn't matter. Contract's a contract, but anyways. So that's that. I guess I will get to work here for a little bit until my tractor's warm. Okay, so here's what I do is I use a little magnet square, and that gets me pretty close, like close enough that a guy can tack it. So what I do is I come over here and look, okay, well it's leaning this way, like that way. So what I'll do is I'll tack on this side, and then at least I can pull it back square. And that way when I get it tacked there, it'll hold it from being square this way. So then I'll take my big square and I run it down here and up this post to make that all squared up. So that's pretty much the gist of it. But I found this fucking magnet here I forgot I had, and apparently it works pretty good. So anyways, we'll get her tacked up here. Okay boys, tractor's nice and toasty. Actually gotta turn it down, it's a little hot. So anyway, when you start this tractor, it revs up automatically. So even if you don't have the e-brake on, and as long as you're in neutral on the left-hand shuttle, the tractor revs itself up. So when you push the clutch, well, you don't even need the clutch, but when you push the clutch, put it in gear, it revs back down to your operating speed, wherever you have your throttle set at. But I like using the gas pedal, especially when I'm doing loader work and stuff. So anyway, we will book her over to the panels. Wife got some set up for an alley there, that kind of for a idea of what we have and what we're going to use and how many panels I'm going to have to make. So what we're going to do is take down the alley and bring some of these panels that I got for the goats over, and we will get some shit set up here. So I guess we'll see you in a few minutes. I'll drive over here and I'll show you what I'm gonna take out here. Hopefully they don't fucking break and froze to the ground, but we'll see what happens. So first one is the windbreak. I made these 16-foot windbreaks, or 15-foot I guess they are, for when I had my old corral. I used them to separate the corral and split the water bowl, so that some would go on one side, some go on the other side, kind of deal. So that's why they're small like this. But let's see, she's frozen. Oh fuck, I broke it. Anyway, bust the board, so we got to try and bump the feet and break them loose, I guess. So what we'll do is down in here on the feet that go on the ground, I have to try and hit them and fucking get them broke loose, I guess. I didn't think it would be frozen that hard yet. Oh, there we go. Now it should come out, I hope. So we will see here this shot. Let's see if I can move them now. What I should do is weld some shit on here, because it's what it does is it pulls on the boards when I lift this up here like this, just because the pipe flexes a little bit. Oh, and they're fucking chained to the other one. Jeebus! Hold on a minute. Oh, let's see. Apparently you gotta take the chains off. That helps, I guess. So I made these little wee hooks here. They're kind of gay, but they serve a purpose. I don't know. I never had, when I built these old panels, the very first ones I ever made, I never had any 3-inch flat bar, what I used for my chain hooks. But we had a meeting with our steel guy there yesterday, and he's telling me that we can actually get them cut and get a part number put on them. See, what happened here is I broke the 2x6, so what I might do is just put a chunk of number 9 wire on there to hold it down. It'll be good enough for now. I just gotta get, this is all temporary because I gotta get a bunch of sucker rod panels made up for there. That's kind of my plan, I guess. So we will get this out and I'll bring you back in a minute here. Alright boys, so here's what we got so far. We're going to hook these up in here, and that way all of these are together, like so. Or they'll go a little bit looser, just in case. So then I'm going to hook this one here, maybe. Like so. Like that. And what we'll do is we'll hook this one to this big post. Hi, Barney. How are you now? I hope my chain's long enough. I guess we'll see. Hi, buddy. Oh, good, and you? Yeah, let's see here. Nope, not quite long enough. See, we're a little short. That's alright. It'll fucking be alright. It's not a real high traffic area, so hopefully that'll work. I think I'm going to be short anyways, but we will check it out and see. Because what I'd like to do is put some sort of a windbreak on that other side there too, but for right now it's going to have to be good enough. So now I can start forming some sort of a pen around this water bowl. So I got this wall here, panel, windbreak. It's got to be way bigger, but I mean for now it's going to be good enough. I just got to get up, go around these stupid goats. Look at fucking simpletons. Anyway, and go up around the water bowl and head back over to this other post. Somewhere over here, I guess. So I don't know what I might do is take this panel and put it sideways in here, and then put another panel up around that water bowl, because that'll be like a high traffic area, and I'll just go out to the field and get a windbreaker, use some panels or whatever. I don't really know yet, so I guess we'll figure that out. Alright, see you in a few. Okay, boys, don't you just love fucking water bowls? Just working real good. I think my thermostat is fucked. My light's not on, but anyways, I got panel set up here. Now these noisy fuckers can come have a drink of water. I was like 5 feet too short to make the full circle. I mean, I could have squished that in here, but I don't want to crowd the bowl here too much. So anyway, I guess we'll fuck around with this water bowl next. I'm going to keep breaking this out and then take that cover off the front with 2 Phillips screws. Right there. So I'll get that panel off, and then we'll go from there. So we'll see you in a bit. Okay, so we got everything wired up. Just got off the phone with Nick in the fucking traffic jam in Alberta. Go figure. Right, old mama. Look at these reds. Oh. Anyway, mother and daughter. She's a bred heifer. She'll be having her first calf this year. Big old Barney the bull. Hey, Barn. Anyways, she'll be having her first calf too. She didn't catch last year, but she's bred this year. So, they're just having a drink here at the bowl, but for some reason I can't. My element's not kicking on, so I think it's probably likely my fucking thermostat in there. So that's what I'm gonna have to piss around with, I guess, once they're done drinking, and then I can lock them back out after and get to working on it here. So hopefully that's all it is, unless I have no power coming up to it. But I'm gonna have to check and see if I'll have to bring something power over. I'll have to shut the water off and flip the lid and whatever. So that's kind of I guess the plan for now. So we will see what happens. So I'll talk to you here in a few minutes. Hey guys, we just got back to the semi here. Kind of an all over fucking day again, but anyways, let's see how she starts. Oh, like summertime. Sweet. Good enough. Rev her up to about 900. Warm her up. Now I think I have to go to town and pick up a what the hell this was. go to town and pick up a thermostat for my water bowl, I guess, if they got one. That, I highly doubt it. So, I'm going to load this generator up and see you in a bit. Well, we just left a place that sounds like grow op. Well, no starting fourth. We got let's see here. Got a price on a new water bowl. So I might need one of them yet too. I'm gonna add. It'd be nice to put another one in, and then I got 3, but anyways, we got a new thermostat for the old girl. So we're gonna go home and grab the semi. Sorry for looking at my steering wheel there. Cops are by there. And we're gonna go grab the semi and take it home and unload all my shit out of here. And then get to work on that bowl here pretty quick, I guess. And we'll see if that's gonna make it work or not. So, alrighty, we'll see you here in a bit. Hey boys, we got her ripping here. Just left the old combines at the other yard. Not sure why I didn't park them in the yard, but whatever. Anyway, we're gonna take this home and get to work on the old water bowl here next. So, got all our stuff, even coffee filters. Have a cup of coffee, Cho. Wake you up in the morning. Anyway, we will work away at that fucking water bowl, I guess. And we will see if that's all it is. I'm hoping that's all it is, because it's not even that old. But like I said last night, when I got the water bowl going, I give it a kick there and the light turned on. So after I got it, after I got the water turned on to it and stuff, then I give it a kick and the light turned on. So it was working. I did it this morning too, and now it doesn't work for some reason. So, but I checked resistance on the thermostat and it's ringing out, and I got 120 going in, and I don't have not even a full volt coming out of it. So it's got to be something stupid in there, I guess. I don't fucking know. Who knows? Junk. It's like anything else you buy. It's good for a couple years and it's fucked right away. So, oh well, we'll get her figured out. I hope. If that thermostat doesn't work, they have a whole thing here with a guy to change the whole wiring box. There's a couple screws you yank out and then take it off that way. So I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully that's not what it is, but if it is, then whatever. They got elements there. They got the wiring box, receptacle, fuse holder, pretty much everything there a guy needs to fix it. Just pain in the fucking ass when you gotta go back and forth to town all the time. Oh yeah, and the well's out of water again, so that's fucking real handy. If by the time you guys see this video and we don't have a trencher, we had 3 guys lined up and not one showed up yet, so fucking horse shit. Anyway, if any of you guys watch this video and you're from around this area, Indian Head, Saskatchewan area, leave me a comment on the bottom with some trenching guys either out of Weyburn or Regina or whatever, somewhere around the area that does that kind of stuff. So if you could, that'd be great. So anyways, we'll see you in a bit here. Well guys, we made her home. Fucking goat standing on the bowls, and Jesus. Bundy hanging out for another day. Cows over there in the squeeze chute area. Oh man. Oh well, whatever. Anyway, so here's our bin that we are drying with. It's a 30. What do you think, Nick? 3,300, 3,000, something like that. Anyways, it's probably ready to take a jag out, and my liquid fertilizer tanks. It's probably ready to take a load out, but now I have to fuck around with the water bowl, so isn't that fun? Here's that dryer I was telling you about, Kylage. Bought from your neighbor back in the day. So, anyway guys, we are home. So, let's go get to work on that. There's my power box there. That's why I plug my tractors and trucks in back here, so. Anyway, we will see you in a few here when I get over to the water bowls. Well, boys, I guess that's gonna be it for today's video. I didn't really get anything done what I wanted to get done, but it's time to get a video up for you guys. So, had a little bit of a run around day again, so that's all right, I guess, for you guys. I don't know, maybe next video I'll try to maybe get some grain moved or something. I don't know what the fuck I could do tomorrow. So we're supposed to be, like, I don't know, I've heard this 4 times now, but this chances are there might be a guy coming tomorrow to have a look and maybe start trenching on the new well. Get that fucking thing going, because this is getting sickening already. I'm out of water. My cousin's gonna bring me a load of this big tank, so that'll be peachy. We did a little trade, a little bit of chicken feed for a load of water, so that's good. If he's happy, I'm happy. I don't have to go to town, waste the whole fucking night hauling water again. 4 loads a day, what a joke. But I guess I'll leave you here for tonight. This is gonna be a long enough video, so by the time I get this uploaded here, what time is it now? 8 o'clock. So probably by tomorrow morning around 10 it should be uploaded. Frickin' internet out here. We tried to talk to somebody there too, and fuck me, can't even understand them. So just hung up the phone. Let's see if we can do it by the internet, interwebs or whatever, maybe tomorrow or something. So maybe the uploads will be better and hopefully not be fuzzy. I don't know. I really don't care, but I think half of it is my fucking shitty phone with the lens broke. Got too many welding sparks on it, so I gotta get that fixed one of these days, but it's just too hectic out here right now. Friday I gotta go to the city. That rhymes with fun. I gotta go meet with my steel guy again and work on some pricing and different shit like that, and I gotta pick up some drill stem and moose jaw, so that'll be probably the next video, I guess. So anyways, I guess I'll end it here. So thanks for watching, and give me the thumbs up, and what else? Leave a comment and subscribe. I guess that'll be it for tonight. So again, thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you later. I'm gonna keep on working. Oh yeah, about the water bowl there. After I just editing this video here in the shop, and after the semi-clip there, when I parked in the backyard, I was going to go work on the water bowl. Well, I did. All I did was I went over there. I bought the new thermostat at the old co-op, the grow-op, and I seen the light was kind of blinking. It would really go on, off kind of thing. So I give it a kick again, and the fucking thing turned on. And it went for like a half a second, and then it shut off again. So I took all the computer stuff out of the guts and behind in the water bowl. Took it all out, and I turned the fucking thermostat screw up a little bit, and then it seems to be working now. So I don't know. I guess I got a spare thermostat if it fucks up again or whatever. But anyways, it's working right now, which doesn't really matter because I'm out of water until my cousin gets here. Whole chicken dink. So once Chicken Dink gets here, we're going to drop the old fucking water down the old pipe there, and I'll go prime it again, and blah, blah, blah. Fucking, at least I'll get to have a shower tonight, so that'll be kind of handy. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next time. Just wanted to give you an update on the water bowl.